Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Hisense 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. You can get this product on Amazon for about $475. Check out the link in the description. The air conditioner comes with a user manual, a quick start guide, a remote control with batteries, and a window kit. Setting up the air conditioner is pretty easy. You just have to assemble the window kit and attach the two hoses. The window kit and the hose attachments are all made of plastic and feel a little bit cheap. Hopefully they won't break down anytime soon. The window kit is easy to install, depending on your window of course. It doesn't look too great, but it works. The air conditioner is really nice. It has a modern look and works without any issues. It cools my room pretty fast. The unit is not too noisy, especially when you set it to quiet mode. I tested the air conditioner for about 4 weeks and I think it's a great product. It's easy to set up, it works pretty good, and I can control the device with the app, the remote control, or the buttons on top of the unit. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality portable air conditioner with Wi-Fi connectivity and 3 operating modes, I would recommend the Hisense 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.